Modern bathroom with a walk-in shower 2025, sleek, functional and stylish designs. Welcome to our curated showcase of modern bathroom design ideas with walk-in showers for 2025, a perfect blend of minimalism, innovation, and luxury. In this video, explore stylish and functional modern bathroom inspirations featuring spacious walk-in showers, frameless glass panels, and smart design elements that elevate your daily routine. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking to modernize your space, these 2025 bathroom trends will help you create a clean, serene, and sophisticated oasis in your home. What's inside this video? Modern bathroom design inspirations. Walk-in shower enclosures with frameless glass. Floating vanities and sleek fixtures. Large format tiles and minimal grout lines. Integrated smart lighting and LED mirrors. Rainfall shower heads and built-in niches. Neutral color palettes with bold material accents. Space-saving ideas for small and large bathrooms. Featured design styles. Minimalist modern bathroom. Scandinavian-inspired clean lines. Luxury spa-inspired shower spaces. Urban contemporary bathrooms. Natural modern with stone, wood, and greenery. Modern features to inspire you. Seamless walk-in shower transitions. Curbless showers. Glass partitions for an open, airy feel. Smart temperature controls and touchless faucets. Hidden storage and floating cabinetry. LED strip lighting under vanities and around mirrors. Matte black and brushed gold hardware options. Design tips for a walk-in shower bathroom. Use floor-to-ceiling tiles to elongate the space. Incorporate natural light with skylights or frosted glass. Choose slip-resistant flooring for both style and safety. Combine form and function with built-in shower benches or shelving. Accent with texture using stone, wood, or tile variations. Who is this video for? Homeowners planning a modern bathroom remodel in 2025. Interior designers seeking up-to-date design inspiration. DIY remodelers looking for sleek and functional walk-in shower ideas. Anyone wanting to turn their bathroom into a modern spa retreat. Materials and finishes highlighted. Porcelain and ceramic tiles. Quartz and marble countertops. Textured concrete walls. Frameless glass doors. Wood-look tiles and organic finishes. Get involved. Like this video to support the channel. Comment below. Which walk-in shower design is your favorite? Subscribe for more modern interior design inspiration. Share with friends or clients who love modern design.